How to update the protocol section of an existing record in the Modernized PRS. If you'd like to update registration information in a record you've already created, first locate the record on the record list page. If the record isn't immediately visible in your record list view, you can use the search window at the top right of the list, or any of the filters below the individual column headers to find it. You can also scroll to the bottom of the list and move from page to page, adjusting the number of records displayed per page as needed. Once you've located the record of interest, click on the open link in the View Record column, the leftmost column on the screen, to access it. Once you have opened the record, you'll see the record summary page. From there, you can click on the Protocol tab to view the protocol summary page, which lists, in a read-only state, all the information that has already been entered in the record. This view also displays system validations that help highlight the modules that require additional attention. If you are returning to a record that has received PRS review comments, those comments will also be included in this view. If you would like to make changes to the information in the protocol section, or if you'd like to enter information for a module you haven't completed, there are 3 ways to begin editing the record. You can use the Edit toggle at the top of the left-hand menu to enable editing. Then select a module to work on from the list of available menu options. Or you can select the module from the menu first and click on the Edit toggle once you arrive on the module page. Alternatively, you can click on the Edit button for any of the modules listed on the protocol summary page to be taken directly to the module in an editable state. After you have made your edits to any module, be sure to click on the Save Changes button, which will become active once any changes are made. There you have it. That is how to update the protocol section of an existing record in the Modernized PRS.